Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to answer this one. We need to divide by x on numerator and the denominator. So we have x divided by x and you got number 1. Similar for this one. Next, we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to 1 over x. Later that, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have like this. Because we don't have the negative sign in here, so I will put this one go to the left. So this one will change for u, this one will change for u, this one with the s we change for this one. Next, we need to multiply by the square root of u minus 1. So, in this situation, we have this one with the square root of u minus 1. You got u minus 1. This one with this one, we have the square root of u square minus number 1. Next, we can put like this. Now, we need to focus on this one. So, we can use about integration by substitution. So, I will put about t equals to the square root of u square minus number 1. Later that, we put the power number 2 for the both sides to cancel the square root. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. This one we got 2t. This one we got 2u. This one that is about the constant, so you got number 0. Number 2 and number 2 we cancel. So the square root we change for t. U du we change for t dt. So this one you got dt. The integration of this one that is about t, and I will put about c. About t that is about this one. Now let's go to this one. So we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to cos t. Later that, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. So this one I will put in here. The u that is about this one. This one that is about sin t square. The square root of sin t square that is about sin t. And now we can simplify. The integration of this one that is about t, and I will put about c. about t, that is about this one. So you got about t equal to a cos of u. So I will put this one to change for t. Now we go back in here. The integration of this one, that is about this one. The integration of this one, that is about this one. About u, that is about 1 over x. This is the end. Thank you for watching.